Listen, in a 2022 now, my relationship is all about you buying me a house, me make it a home. You breed me. When me have a penny them, you sit down and you watch them and you take good care of them. You buy grocery, me make it a meal. You give me money, I save it. Me not give you no money, me no know where you go get it from. Me walk in and out of the house as me feel like a party, you stay home. I get anything I want, you don't. You pay the bills, I relax. What more could I ask for, my love?
Yo, them people are dangerous up here, so people. I'm gonna tell you something. I don't like to come up here. I don't like to come up here. Okay? I'm gonna tell you why. Good? I'm gonna come up here. Good? At first, nobody called me and tell me, say, yo, she dead. Rate. Good? Them call me off one fraud number. But when them they want them money, they make sure call me and find number for call me and tell me, say, yo. So today I come up here and I say, okay, fine. I'm a little bit calmer now. May I come and see if I can get the necessary information. I've been here for 2 hours sitting down and waiting to see someone. When I see the doctor, the first thing out of my mouth is, yo, is gonna ask me if anybody has given me any information. I said, no. Nobody has called. Nobody has said anything to me. I don't know anything. I don't know what's happening. Nothing at all.
Hey my peeps, it's a beautiful Friday and it's that time of the day to get some dinner. Did tired of every other fast food joint, so I went to Pizza Hut because I haven't had it in a while. Open the door, inside was clean. I love this sign right here. Can you believe the 2 little things that my order comes to $4,980? Got fascinated with how they were making the pizza, so me just turn up a video them. They must have said, oh, this hungry belly girl just have video we saw. Look at all these toppings, guys. Would have put all of them for my pizza, but my pocket can't afford that. Say hi to my Pizza Hut friend people. At this point, me get tired to stand up and video people them, so me go sit down and wait for the pizza. See Titi over the side yelling up. Finally, guys, the pizza was ready. At the happiest day of my life, so I'm hungry. Put him in the seat and buckle him up. You know, so Titi have to sit down on a back. I really wish I could have snapped my finger them and reach home, but instead, me did have to drive. Found a show on Netflix to watch. Spoiler alert, it wastes the whole of my pizza time. The show boring and the girl just mad. Hats off to Pizza Hut and them workers because this pizza was amazing. Their Hershey chocolate chip cookie was really nice, but then I realized I'm wasting money because it's just big and sweet. This will be in my fridge for a good while. I don't know how, but my video started recording in slow motion. Anyway, thanks guys for watching my mini dinner vlog. Bye!
Me now put my blood clot basket where my hand can reach it. You hear me? Me now put my basket where my hand can reach it. You have to understand.
Hey, stunner with the girl them there. Girl, come get used to your soul. How many did I say again? I be in vibes in this, be in vibes in this, vibes in this, be in vibes in this, be in vibes in this, be in vibes in this. Hey, chilla, everywhere me go, when me turn the girl I blow me kiss. Girl them with the board tongue, strawberry lips. Fat, tight, somebody chick. Wine up your body, girl, wine me nini. Can I tell you something little, you know want nothing for tickle. Hot pepper pickle, something what fi make a crickle. Anyway me party, me girl I party too. Be your vibes in my slogan. I be your vibes in this, be your vibes in this, vibes in this, be your vibes in this. Girl I wine like she want ride the rhythm. Girl wine up her body, girl I sit with the chick.
All of me dog, them a obia man. Obia man, guzo man. Ring full of dopey, full of powder. Be a junk up on me house top. All of me dog, them a obia man. Obia man.
When God asks Jamaican women why they can't leave people's husband alone. Jamaican women.
I go to my bed with these things on my conscience every night. I know that I have tried.
Where the blood, mama bomba blood clot, they want to kill me for? The blood clot. What me do not to pussy bomba blood clot? Eh?
Where you say that?
All a Mets, brother. Me ain't no fight.
So me and a friend that.
Warren, all a Mets, no man. Here, no man. That's here, no brother. Bumbuckler.
Fuck one man, you see, in a life. Him come and him see a table, and if him not come see table, him come see cupboard. And if him not come see cupboard, you start from bucket. So him supposed to come see food in a bucket. Why you not learn to provide? You come, you look woman for mine. Yeah? I'm saying no woman, no mind man again. Them days I done a big woman you have to look where can't get nobody and time run out pan them and them a look a little man for cheat. And for them comfort. Remember say we as young girl now we are look a man for either you come put something on the table or you help us invest or you help us achieve things. You can't come. Remember say we born come say we grandfather give we grandmother money, you know. So we born now come sell pussy, you know. So you have to know you come at us, you know.
I want to hear Jada.
Yeah.
You look him up put on my 3-4 clothes them come a blood clot carry body and it's not your birthday. You carry feelings. I want to hear how you tell us if you're dead for hungry in a blood clot carry. I want to hear 3-4 Jada, you know, so your body big. You're big and shape bad, me intact. I'm up to date. Don't play with my bumper blood clot brain. But you block off a phone and I send text about sucker. Suck what? Hey girl, no matter ramp with me now, we kicking in your face live. Sucker. Yeah.
It's funny to my brother.
You want a lifestyle for your mouth. What's your about my name out there? I buy you? I don't even know she have blood clot.
It's funny to
me. Where she live? Crossover. I didn't want to. Hey, I don't blame me now.
With a jacket, with a jacket.
Hey, jeans jacket out, man. Jeans jacket outdated. Everywhere you go, you wear a jacket. Then I'm a silk. I'm gonna lend you my.
If I want to me, you know, I love care down people. If me a YouTuber, me a video vixen, me a promoter, me a Instagram influencer, me a promoter and all of them something. The only thing I get my money. I can just sit down here and make my money, so I don't go think say always man. Because so no matter.
Try, me I tell you no, try. It's my birthday. Me no want to tell me about go do no make nobody rub massage me no cause me no want a girl rub me down. Me I make sure tell you no money I go burn up. So no don't tell me about me forget no massage. Cause me no want no massage. Alright. If you don't want to no money burn up, go and go pay it for my birthday. Me not going nowhere. And me no want to tell me about no carry me go no restaurant go eat. Cause me not go nowhere neither. Alright. No money I go burn up. Okay? No money I go burn up.
But suppose a man a massage you?
I don't want neither girl nor man massage me. Me alright, me good. Now my 48-year-old. When me want girl or man massage me for? I have a husband, I don't want none of them massage.
What the husband now massage?
You don't know nothing about me and my husband. You're bright. You're like you live in my room. You live in there?
Your husband don't massage you, girl. So I can pay money and make a man massage you.
Go pay money and make man massage you and your friend them. One of them birthday I sat they go make man massage. She go pay money for man massage. She not sorry for me. Oh, massage. I want a ring. I girl, enough of them girl, them a salamite. Me no want a girl.
What?
Lesbian. No. In long tongue, a girl about they want massage. And my body way thick and look so good. Me if I go make them massage me, I must be mad.
Yeah, Michelle.
Good morning, my darling. How are you?
Yes, please.
You don't kill this stuff with you. If you want to go bend down and make people look up in a fear batty wall, you can go and go do it.
Money run top speed, soak me like flash. What's that? Stop one like you don't notice. You notice, girl, when your wife give me brain every time. I feel like say me need motives. Watch for my wrist. Cool is rich.
Okay, I get to down the hill, dog. Yo, me I look on you and me I say, oh, the man a come down the hill so hard. From who you up there, say, no? So me I wonder if I break left him or but break no left him, because he chuck a smoke, you know. So nothing more him a come down the hill hard. Him a come down the hill and a box out to gear them. He in a problem now for go down the hill. Big problem. Why I just force a God carry him down and make him go up on the ramp. Get to it, Chuck, get to it, brother. Get to it, get to it. Just pray. I just force a God carry make him go up on the ramp. The most dangerous part of down there, so I can't deep. See there? Down there, so once he make you round the corner, then you're alright. Nah, go make it. Nah, please. Come bad. God, please make him just make that corner there. If they make that corner there, good. Just a corner there. Don't make him crash on there, please, God. Just make him make a corner. Make him corner, make him corner. Turn over and turn over and turn over to blow out. Turn over and turn over to